Are you ready to take your Excel formatting and financial reporting skills to the next level? Learning how to format and present large numbers like thousands, millions, or billions in Excel is essential for anyone in finance and accounting. Knowing how to structure these magnitudes quickly determines the audience's understanding of the data. If you want to learn more about organizing and displaying large numbers, this video will provide the guidance and tips you need for clean formatting. Format numbers using a custom format cell. Creating a custom format using the Format Cells feature is effortless. Here are the steps you'll need to take. First, select the cells containing the numbers you want to format, and then right-click the Format Cells option from the context menu. Using the Format Cells dialog box in the Number tab portion, click Custom from the left pane in the Type Text box and type 0.0, capital K in quotes, which is the format code for thousands. Once you click the OK button, your numbers will be formatted as desired based on the number format you've chosen. Use the same method for millions and billions by slightly modifying the codes. For millions, use 0.0, 2 commas, capital M in quotes. And for billions, 0.0, 3 commas, capital B in quotes. Format numbers using conditional formatting. To create a dynamic numbers format based on the cell value, you should combine the conditional formatting tool with the LEN formula as follows. First, select the column containing the numbers you want to format. Go to Conditional Formatting under the Home tab, select the New Row option, then use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, write the formula equals LEN, select your first cell, and then greater than 3. For the selected cell, select the first cell in the column and be sure to convert it to an absolute reference by removing the $ using the F4 button from the keyboard. Select the Format button, then Custom option from the menu, then write the same code for thousands that we used before, 0.0, capital K in quotes. Repeat the same steps in the same column to create million and billion formats, but make sure to change the conditional formatting formula. For millions, use LEN, select your first cell, then greater than 6 with the code 0.0, 2 commas, and capital M in quotes. And for billions, use LEN, select your first cell, then greater than 9 with the code 0.0, 3 commas, and capital B in quotes. Convert all numbers to their extended, standard versions for greater accuracy and readability. Consider expanding abbreviated numbers into their total numerical value in specific scenarios. To do so, paste or enter the formula shown on the screen into an empty cell. The formula is easy to input and drag to as many cells as you want. The numbers in the cells will change into their total numerical equivalents. This formula will make it simpler for you to get things done. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. For more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out simplesheets.co.